when you take it apart, you just take this nut off and just take the switch, pull it up here, and there's a little keeper right here that kind of holds the wires to the switch so it don't come off. And to get that off the switch, you got to push on this little doodad right here and push it through and it comes out. And when you get the new one, all you do is take the new one, plug it in like this here, push it together until that clicks, turn it around, upside down like this here. Here's that groove, that little pin that lines up in that groove there. You gotta make sure it's in there and then put that nut on.